everyone, thanks for joining me today on the channel. So the pose I wanted to show you today is just very simple, and it's nothing fancy. It's just a forward fold, and I'd like to show you 3 different versions of it, and you can pick whichever one is the easiest to do. Okay, so for the first version of the forward fold, we're just going to get ready and start to breathe in a relaxed manner. So just take a second. If you've been running around frantically during the holiday time, then this is a good moment to just kind of slow it all down. And you can do whatever kind of version you want to do. You can do in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the nose, whatever works the best for you. There's no hard and fast way that it has to be done. Okay, and you're just going to, if you'd like, take a little bend in the knees, and we're just going to bend forward like this. And just keep breathing as gently as you can. And you can take and clasp your elbows if you like. I don't know, I tend to like to do this for some reason. This feels kind of weird to make my arms hang. And if you like, you can even kind of move around a little bit. And once you're satisfied, just kind of come back to center. Alright, and then when that feels like enough, just go ahead and gently come back up vertebra by vertebra, which basically just means come up slowly. So the next version of the forward fold is this seated version. And you're basically going to be doing the same thing, but your knees are very bent since you're already sitting. Just go ahead and bend forward. You should really feel it through the back. And you should feel a stretch, not like a pain or anything like that. And you basically just want to kind of fall out over your knees. I think that's about as far as I'm going to go. The idea behind this forward fold, in any version of it really, is that you want to let the nervous system have time to kind of quiet down and just relax a little bit and refresh. And this pose is a really good one for that. And for just letting the blood kind of go back to your head. And just letting everything recharge for a second. Okay. I'm going to come back out of that. Okay, the final version of this pose can be done several ways. You can just have your legs out in front of you like I'm doing right now, or you could bend your legs. And that's actually, if you're not very flexible, it's a really good way to start, is to just have bent legs, and then you're just going to start with a straight spine, and you can just kind of do the same thing that we have been doing, which is to fold over the legs. But yeah, I'm definitely not as flexible when it comes to this particular version. So that's about as much as I think I'm going to be able to do. And you can, do whatever with your arms. They can just kind of hang here. I'm just putting mine down at the sides. Or you could even, if you were flexible enough to meet your knees, then you could just go ahead and kind of rest into your arms. But as you can tell, I'm not that flexible. I'm actually going to try it with straight legs and see how that feels. That actually, to me, feels almost a little bit better for some reason. And I do like to be able to just put my hands here and just kind of reach forward, because it does feel like it amplifies the stretch a little bit without it being uncomfortable. And as we've been doing with all the other versions, just make sure that you are breathing deeply and gently. Okay, I'm gonna come back up. So that was all the versions of the forward fold that I want to show you today. Go ahead and give them all a try if you have the time, or if nothing else, just do the standing version or maybe the seated version, whatever time allows and your circumstances allow. If you are feeling a little bit overwhelmed or something like that, then just go ahead and do one of those, and hopefully it should help you to kind of relax a little bit. Make the nervous system calm down, and make sure to do breathing as well. Do some calming breaths, and that will help tremendously as well to do that combination. So go ahead and give it a try. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you what I'm calling a yoga quick fix, and I thought that this was so apt because of the time of year in particular. And I know there's a lot of people tend to be more stressed than normal at this time of year, so I figured I would try and help. So go ahead and like and subscribe, hit the notifications little bell icon thing to be notified whenever I do put out a new video, which I try to do once a week roughly, and I will definitely try to continue with that. If you would like more of these little yoga quick fix things where it's just like one yoga pose for specific kind of issues, then let me know, and I will, and also comment about what you would like something for, and I will try to make it happen as quickly as possible. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye!